Hello, this is Jose Cruz, your host. Today we are going to see how we do a reverse engineer over a table inside your database. This reverse engineer will create the form so that we can capture information into that table as well as create the API to apply the CRUD methods over that table. So I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna put my password, my username, and we are going to go ahead and execute a reverse engineer. What we get in this list is all the tables that I have in my database to which I can apply a reverse engineer and get the UI as well as the API. We are going to see the employee table, which has 4 fields in the database. These are the 4 fields in my database. So right now I'm gonna execute a reverse engineer over that table. I don't have it listed here. And by clicking the import asset resource, I get to have it imported. So I'm gonna find it. Here it is. We are going to see the details of the form. This is what it was generated from that reverse engineer. And now we have it here. We can click over that option. And what we are looking at is the UI that has been generated for us. And now I'm gonna execute a call over this same form to get design elements to be able to create this form inside my own platform. We need the UUID to be able to call for design elements through the API. I have already set up the API call. I'm gonna update the UUID. Just a quick reminder, we are using the command name new. This means it is going to bring me the design elements to be able to create a new form inside my platform. I'm thinking that I'm going to be rendering this UI in my platform. The version is 1.0. The resource name, as we saw, is the name of the table, employee. The asset library in which we have imported this is EMP-902. That is the ID of the company that it's currently logged in, the user that I am currently using. And the resource type, it's a form. It is currently in the in-memory module. The format is HTML. The UUID is this one that I just updated. And by hitting the send button, what I'm getting down here is all the elements of that form, which we have here. The table, it's employee, that's where it was brought from. The name of the form, it's the same one. You can always update these values once you have that imported. And what we are seeing is all the source code of the fields that are required to be able to have the form generated as we see it right here. That's all for now. As you can see, by doing a reverse engineer, you are going to have a fast and higher jump start. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.